Hey folks, a lot of clouds around today, but we did warm up a little bit from yesterday. 5 to 7, 8, 9 degrees across the area. Right now, we're sitting at 60 in Edinburgh and in Brownsville. Everybody else in the upper 50s at this hour. Harlingen, Raymondville, McAllen. See 57 here in Weslaco. Overnight lows tonight should drop back in the low 50s across most of the area. Cloudy skies, could be a few sprinkles around. Nothing significant. Warmest temperatures overnight will be at the coast, and the coolest temperatures tomorrow during the day will be at the coast, with readings staying closer to the water temperature. And as you move inland, warms up a little bit, 75, 76 across most of the valley tomorrow afternoon. That's a nice warm up from today's upper 50s and near 60-degree readings, about a 15-degree jump. The normal high for this time of year, 78 degrees. Tomorrow we'll get close, but then look at Friday and Saturday, 85, 93. If we hit that 93 on Saturday, that will be a record. The record right now is 91. So from record chill to record heat in the span of just a few days. Cloud cover wise, there's been a lot of it today. There will be a lot of it tonight. Probably some fog early, and then during the daytime tomorrow, maybe late in the afternoon, some breaks, a brightening of the sky, a little bit of sunshine. Don't count on a lot, but a little bit. Friday, same kind of thing. Fog early, especially at the coast. Maybe a sprinkle or two, and perhaps some late day sunshine for a change, and that helps warm temperatures up a little bit. We do it all over again on Saturday. Clouds early, afternoon sunshine, and with that, as the winds come more out of the south on Saturday, temperatures are likely to warm back up into the 90s, as we showed you on that 3-day temperature map. In the meantime, spotty sprinkles mainly near the coast the next couple of days. Saturday probably a dry day. Saturday night into Sunday, another front gets into the neighborhood. Might be enough to trigger another shower or two, but daytime Saturday should be dry. Rest of South Texas, everybody's warming up just like we are. Falfurrias 60, same thing in Laredo, 55 in San Antonio as it is in Houston. Push back a little farther, a little cooler, 1 degree in Dallas at 54, 58 in San Angelo, and even up into Lubbock, it's 60 degrees right now. So no cold air on the move at this hour across the state. In fact, it's warm air pushing northward. Underneath all these high clouds, look at the moisture coming across from the Pacific. At the same time, here at the ground, the wind's back out of the southeast, or east to southeast now. That's bringing moisture back in here at the ground, bringing the warmer temperatures back in. So pretty thick cloud cover out there, kind of a couple of layers. Here's what happens the next couple of days. The cool weather still in place tonight, but it begins to retreat tomorrow. And as that happens, the warmer, more humid air moves back in. You can see the warm front pushing northward out of the state. The boundary of that cool air over against the mountains begins to break down, and the southeast wind kicks in and really brings some warmer, more humid air in, and conditions get a little bit windy by the time we get to Friday. By Saturday, here comes the next front on the map. Doesn't get here Saturday, but maybe Saturday night and early Sunday kind of steps right down on top of us and may stop right about here. That could be the focal point for a lot of clouds, and again, maybe an isolated shower. Will we cool off a little, but not dramatically? We won't be 93 probably after Saturday, but probably still in the 80s. We don't see a big cool down as a result of that front. Another front about Tuesday of next week looks like it may trigger some weather across Texas, some strong storms, and maybe cool us off a little bit by the end of the forecast period. Across Texas tomorrow morning, this is 7 a.m., 53 in Houston. If you got a flight to Dallas, it'll be about 43, 7 a.m., and San Antonio at 47. We rebound into the 70s. The rest of North and East Texas in the 60s, and then West Texas 70s, with El Paso checking in at 80. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight looks this way. 51, cloudy skies, patchy fog, winds mainly light and variable, but tomorrow the winds are out of the southeast. With that, temperatures warm back to 75. Watch out for a morning sprinkle, especially near the coast. Friday, we're back to 85. Saturday, breezy and hot, a high of 93. And then Sunday, when we turn our clocks forward before you go to bed Saturday night, a little cooler, could be an isolated shower, really Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but temperatures stay in the 80s. Front has trouble going through, so we hold in that ballpark at least into the early part of next week. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.